Hola, and welcome to another day of Scott and Dave and bikes. Dave's of Dave RV Life, in case you weren't know. We're gonna go to the wrecking yard, RV wrecking yard. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna follow you.
You're starting my video too.
Awesome.
Today, hang on. Today we're going on a little adventure with Scott on the e-bikes. We're going to the scrapyard, the junkyard, the salvage yard, whatever you want to call it. Hey Scott.
It was hard to look up because it's not listed under anything like that. Well, I did.
You're gonna have to cut that out anyway. Joe's gonna trim that somewhere.
I think Dave just cursed.
No.
Anyways, let's go for a bike ride. All right, on Dave and I's adventure to find the wrecking yard, which we are being at this point very unsuccessful. The picture showed this is where it was at, but we found this cool drone and a big old power maker. God, you know what, Dave? That's what we needed out on ASUS property.
Big generator like that.
Big generator like that. Everybody had power. And even a tank and our own drone.
Yeah.
Okay, well, the coordinates was showing that this is where we're at.
It's some old scrap level home.
Oh, yeah.
Woohoo!
I know. Somehow we're missing what's supposed to be here.
It's around here somewhere.
We're gonna find it. Okay. GoPro, stop recording. Okay. We'll see if anybody's in here. We came through the, oh, I thought it was the front entrance. But this is definitely a whole different yard with things. Here we go. A Lance camper on a homemade trailer. Huh. I don't know if that's just storage or what. Okay. Lots of good oldies out here. But honestly, I don't think this is the exact place we wanted to be at. I don't think it's the place. We'll keep looking. Oop. I didn't know those things were diesel.
Yeah, if you look all the way down the line of that building, there's a couple little RVs there at the end. That was supposed to be an RV sales place, but there's only like 3 or 4 or 5 down there.
Yeah, I just came down the other way anyways. a good view up here. Let's go sit at the laundromat and Google it. There you go, we gotta stop then. I know. Oh, what gear am I in? Am I not? Oh, I'm at 0. Oh, no wonder. Oh. Yeah. And parked. Fine.
Everybody and their mother's on one of those. I know, they've gone quite popular. It's amazing how many people are riding together.
Oh yeah, yours has shocks.
Oh, you don't have shocks.
Huh? No, that's what I say. This thing's a rough frickin' ride. Okay. All right. Look what I found. The original truck camper, David. Hi, babies. And here's little puppies. Hi, puppies. Hi, sweetie. Just wanted to come and look at the... Is that what it is? A Cadillac?
Yeah.
Cadillac truck camper. And a precious little puppy right there. Oh, there's dogs barking everywhere. The green bean, it's 4-wheel drive. Oh, sorry, puppy. We'll get out of here. All right, from the wrecking yard or the RV salvage area to brand new. I don't know if we've kind of mentioned this, but Terry and I are seriously considering this next year getting rid of the truck camper and going to a fifth wheel. And I'm just outside of Quartzsite, and I'm looking at, this is, I think is a 26 dash something fifth wheel. There's a big difference between 26 and 32 feet, but I like the little ones just because I don't want to have to tow something huge. But let's just look at this one. I have no clue what it costs, but I kind of like the layout. This is a slide over here, a couple chairs and TV, nice little dining room. And it's not too bad of a trailer here, or a kitchen. That's Terry's biggest point on the whole thing, is what she's looking for. And let's look at the bed up here. Oh, pretty nice. It is small. I don't know if there, oh, there's no slide in this one. And so you have to walk around tight to get into the bathroom. Yeah, I think this is a little too small. If we're gonna tow it, we want to make sure that it's that we're happy with it. We've had the other one for 3 years, as everybody knows, and it's time to move up and get something a little more roomier. Okay, this is the entrance to the bathroom. But not too awfully bad. Kind of liking that. Let's see what the, oh, this probably ain't gonna say the price on it. Oh, if it does, I can't read it without my glasses. Okay, back to the bicycle. Hello. All right, so we looked at the little one here. This is a carbon. This is an aluminum frame fifth wheel. It says it's a 33.7, so I'm sure it's 33 feet plus the other 6 feet. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, nice kitchen, but not much cooking space. And then we have, this is the whole thing here, huh?
This is the toy hauler.
This is the toy hauler. Oh, it has a washing machine, or that's a dryer. Wonder what you do. Oh, I guess everything will slide up in the air. Yeah, so that would all slide up in the air then to get a side-by-side.
Once you take your toys out, those will fold up out of the way.
Right.
And once you're somewhere and you take your toys out, I think this bed lowers down to the regular bedroom level.
Right. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see. See, a toy hauler would be nice. The problem is that there's just nothing in here. I mean, this is just too small for a living area.
Yeah, that's typical bedroom. And two, when this slide is in, look, when it's
oh yeah,
then you could probably squeeze in there.
Yeah, there's a lot of room for, and this is nice. Let's see how the bed is. Oh, and so this, oh, you think that's a slide there? That's not a slide. Oh, it has to be a slide.
Yeah. It's not a very big bed, is it?
No, it's not a very big. I don't need much room, but no. I think, honestly, toy hauler is nice, but I think I'd rather have the living quarters.
Yeah.
Okay, we shall look and we will find. Just more counter space is what we need for Terry, because she loves cooking.
So we're gonna knock on piano.
Right, so there's no way it's from there to there. Is it locked? Okay.
She says they're all open.
Oh, okay. Oh, I like how the door doesn't go all over the place. Oh, this is more like Terry's. Yeah. Nice big, well, fairly nice counter, but if you have these on it.
She did say that she really loves the kitchen, the islands.
Right. But it'd be nice if you didn't have to have this on to, you know.
Well, you don't.
Well, right, but then you lose a lot of space.
Counter space?
Yeah, and it has too much seating room. I don't want people coming over and visiting me. Let's see what's in here.
And this is
a little storage thing. Do what? You look comfortable.
And this is kind of nice too. Some of the models were, you know, that's fine that you could see the TV from right across the theater seating. But some of them, it was more difficult if you sat over here.
Right, yeah.
Here, actually, the TV is easy to see.
Let's see.
You know the way this is. Oh, big side-by-side refrigerator. Oh.
Yeah, that is awesome. Let's see what the bedroom looks like.
And the other thing too is if this slides in, it doesn't cut off the spot. When that slides in, you still have a full throughway. You can use your kitchen and everything. It doesn't cut it off. You know?
Oh, and the bathroom's separate, so it's not a walkthrough. That is a wicked door. How it opens and shuts. Okay, let's see what the bedroom looks like. Oh, and so that goes the opposite way. So that means that's a lot bigger bed.
That is a big bed.
But that thing probably comes all the way to here. Was that the fire detector? I think that was
Yeah.
a smoke detector.
Probably low battery.
Yeah. That's
But-
ain't too bad.
But it doesn't have to fold up. You know, you can still get in it. You
Right.
You're on the road and just you come back here and plop on the bed. You know.
Yep. No, I didn't see any solar. I wonder if this thing, because these are used. We're looking at now.
I think these first couple here are new ones.
Oh.
The ones over on the side, go down the side of the used.
Oh, maybe that's true. What is that piece of paper? Does it say? I couldn't read what
Right.
the price is.
Compared to the counter space you have now, you
I
have
know.
all this. You have all this.
Does that thing have a price on it? I can't read with no glasses.
51.9.
Ah, giving it away. So it can't be
Well,
brand
it's
new.
a 2017.
Yeah, I knew it wasn't brand new, but they sure didn't use it very much.
Yeah.
How does the oven look? Ooh, it's not much bigger than. Well, it's a little bit bigger, but
And
Oh.
extra space when you.
oh, I see. Okay,
I don't know how that works, but
yeah. And then it collapses over.
yeah, from 42 for it.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull that right out of my thing right now. Okay, time to get back on the bike.